they used to say to me, you must do this.
Meghalaya today remembered Reverend Thomas Jones, the founding father of the Khasi alphabet and literature, on the anniversary day of his arrival at Saura today. The day is being observed as Thomas Jones Day. It was on the 22nd of June 1841 that Reverend Thomas Jones and his wife Annie Jones, who established the first permanent mission among the Khasis, arrived at Saura and pioneered the Khasi alphabet, literacy and literature. To mark the day, the Khasi Author Society, Snat Nongstoin, in collaboration with the Khasi Department of Nongstoin College on Wednesday, organized a memorial program at Nongstoin College. Macmillan Birsat, MLA Nongstoin, attended the program as chief guest in the presence of E.P. Siem, Siem of Hima Nongstoin, who is also the president of KAS. The meeting unanimously decided to urge the state government to take steps for the inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution.